This video is going to cover PRZ, or potential rational zeros. It's something that's useful for getting to synthetic division. It's like it would tell you the number that goes here, and you should understand more about what I'm referring to as we go along, but here's how you do it. Basically, you're going to take the first number, the coefficient of the x cubed here, and you're going to list out all the factors of that number. So what I mean by that is 4 is divisible by 1, by 2, and by 4. You're then going to look at the last number, and you're going to do the same thing. List out all the factors of 2. So that's 1 and 2. All right, and now to do PRZ, basically all you do is you take the last number, so 1, and you put it over each factor of the first number. So like 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 4, like that. Now, you're not done. You do the exact same thing with the next number. So 2 over these 3 numbers. So like 2 over 1, 2 over 2, 2 over 4. Now also, the thing about PRZ is it could be either positive or negative. You have to put a plus minus in front of either each one of these, or you kind of do what I did where I grouped them all and then threw the plus minus right in front. And lastly, if they reduce and become one that's already listed, you don't need to list it multiple times. So my final answer here for PRZ, I would put the plus minus out in front. 1 over 1 is 1. Then I had a half. Then I had a fourth. Then I had 2. And then these last 2 repeated. So I would not list them. That would be my answer. Okay, let's look at another one. Factor the first and the last numbers. So like 2 is divisible by 1 and by 2. 9 is divisible by 1, by 3, and by 9. So to do PRZ here, I would, first of all, not forget the plus minus, and then take each of the last numbers, 1, 3, and 9. I do them one at a time so that I don't get kind of confused. So I would take the 1, put it over each of the first numbers. So like 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 3 over 1, 3 over 2, 9 over 1, 9 over 2. Look for ones that repeat or ones where you have to reduce. This one, it doesn't look like we have any repeating values, so I would just leave it like this. And if you wanted to just put like 3 here, that's fine as well. So that is how you do potential rational zeros. And these are going to kind of be like one of these numbers. I don't know which one. One of them is going to be a 0 on this graph. So it's going to be an x-intercept on this polynomial. And so like once you know one of those, you can do synthetic division and factor usually, and you can find the rest. We'll get to that in the next video. So hope this video helped.